3DGS collision tutorial is here. First, drag and drop the 3DGS model into the scene. Adjust its position, rotation and scale, and directly use the calculated convex hull. Then set some collision-related parameters. Here, I will also talk about using a simple cube to replace the original convex hull. By the way, all the models here are generated by Mugen 3D. Modify the cube's transform parameters to overlap with the 3DGS model. Then attach the 3DGS model to the cube. Then set some collision-related parameters. After setting is completed, you can hide the cube's mesh. Set up the blueprint for the third-person character. Finally, run it to achieve the effect of knockup. If you have any better ideas and want to communicate with our R&D team, please leave a message in the comment section.